In this video, I will be showing you how to use the Elastic Design feature in Napkin AI to transform your text into dynamic, flexible visuals. I'll start by logging into my account and selecting the blank napkin option to begin a new project. First, I need to input my content, so I'll type out my title, the three-step content strategy framework, and add my three main pillars: ideation, production, and distribution. To generate visuals, I'll highlight this text block and you'll see a blue lightning bolt icon appear on the left. Once I click it, the AI Suggestions panel opens, offering various diagrams and flowcharts. I'll browse through the options and select a layout that best represents my process. Now, let's see the Elastic Design feature in action. I can click on the visual to open the right-hand control menu and select Sync with Text. This ensures that any edits I make are reflected instantly. For example, if I go back to my text and change distribution to New, the diagram instantly expands and rearranges itself to fit the new content perfectly. I can even drag and resize individual elements, and the entire visual fluidly adjusts its spacing to maintain a professional balanced look. This makes it incredibly easy to iterate on your designs without ever having to manually fix the alignment. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using the Elastic Design feature in Napkin AI.